welcome to VidFactory. In this video, I'm going to give you a detailed walkthrough on how you can use VidFactory for your business and for your clients. Now, VidFactory is a cloud-based application that you can use on any device. You can use it on your desktop, tablet, or even on your mobile phone. There's nothing to download and nothing to install to start using this app. So all you have to do is log in and you can start creating videos on any device that you want. So let's start doing that. Once we're logged in, we'll be taken to the dashboard for VidFactory where you can see all the features inside of the app. The main core of the application is the video ads creator. So let's do that here. Once you click this feature, you'll have three options. You can either get a video that you want to use from your desktop, you can get something from YouTube, or you can get something from our built-in library with thousands of copyright-free videos for you to use for your own website and for your clients. So let's say you don't have a video to use, but you want to run a video ad. So we simply select choose from library, and from here we can access thousands of copyright-free videos that we can use for our video ads instead. So let's say, for example, we're looking for a video that's going to be all about a car or cars. We're going to do a quick search and we can find several videos here that has that keyword. Let's say, for example, we're going to choose this video. We're going to click on choose and we're going to click on next. Now we can break down the video into specific scenes. Let's say on scene 1, we want our call to action or our edit to show up on the 2-second mark all the way to the 10-second mark. So you have 8 seconds of scene number 1. We want to add another scene, just click on add new scene. And let's say the second scene is going to be on the 15-second mark and it ends on the 25-second mark. So it's going to be around 9 seconds per scene here. So once you're satisfied with the number of scenes you create inside of VidFactory, click on next. From here, this is where we can add the text, images, call to action buttons, and even our own narration to our video. Now, remember that we created sequences earlier. As you can see, the sequence that we have specified has been added here as well. That means any image, any text, or any audio or even narration you add here is only going to affect that specific scene. What this means is that it's easy for you to add any kind of call to action, whether it's audio or visual, on a specific scene. So let's say we're going to add some text to scene number 1. All right, so we're going to click on the text section here. We can click on the box and put in here looking for a car. We can change the font as well. As you can see, we can change the color to match our theme here. We can even add some animation, whether it's going to be fading in and fading out on the end of the scene. Of course, we can change the size of the text as well. So, for example, if you want to add another text here, best deals, there we go. Now we have our text added. Let's say we want to add an image as well. We're going to click on choose file for pictures and we're going to select a PNG file here. There we go. And we have our image added here. So you can use PNG if you want some transparency to your image as well. If you want to make it bigger, make it smaller, you can just click on the triangle icon here in the bottom right side of the image. So there we go. So we're done with scene 1. Let's move on to scene 2. There we go. Again, we can remove the text here as well. Let's say we're going to add call now and the number is here. Let's say 1-800-456-7890. There we go. And we can also add our own audio to this. So you can make it both audio and visual call to action here. And remember that any audio that you add here is only specific to the scenes. It makes it very easy to create shorter narrations that is only just for that few seconds that you need. Once you're happy with the changes that you have done, just click on Create Video, and within a few minutes, that video will be ready for you to download for you to use on any campaign that you want, whether it's going to be on Facebook, YouTube, or Instagram. There we go. Our video is now ready. We can see the call to action added here and the animation on the text as well showing up. Now you can download this and use it for any campaign that you want. So let's say we're going to download this video here. All right, let's save this. There we go. Now, the second feature inside of VidFactory is going to be the meme maker. So that means you can take any video and turn it into a viral video meme. So you can either click here on meme maker, or you can go back to the dashboard and click that option there. So in our case, since we have a video already that we want to use for this, we're going to upload from the desktop. Click on choose a file, and we're going to select carad.mp4. We're going to click on open. It's going to upload the video to the server. Normally this takes a few seconds depending on how long the video is. And now we can add top and bottom text just like any viral meme. So let's say, for example, we're going to add here something like looking for. Get 10% off with us. There we go. We can change the font as well. Either it's going to be on the top or on the bottom. You can just click on either top or bottom text to change the specific font for the text you want to change. The same thing with the text color, the same thing with the background color as well. And once you've converted your video into a viral meme, you simply click on export video, and your new video with the top and bottom text will be available for you to download, for you to use on any social media campaign. And again, you can make these creations, these videos on any device, whether you have a desktop, laptop, or mobile phone altogether. Now you can take your video creation anywhere you go. So if you're looking for this kind of software that can help you create amazing videos, VidFactory is for you.